Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and here we are today at number 51 Station Road. Now, this property does need some refurbishment, as you'll see, but it offers an amazing opportunity for you to create whatever home you'd like to, and you're going to be within equal walking distance to Whitstable Harbour and to Whitstable train station. And we're going to start this viewing within the front master bedroom, which is a really substantial size. You've got the original fireplace there, which is a lovely feature to still have in the property, and you've got that nice big window at the front offering plenty of space. Now you've got the alcove there, which you could easily use for fitted wardrobes. Now as we come back through, we'll go to bedroom number 2 now, again with that wonderful feature of fireplace there. You can see it does need some refurbishment here, but what an amazing opportunity to create exactly what you'd like. You've got the window here which overlooks the rear garden. You get a sense already for how big that garden is going to be, and it's really nice to have an opportunity available within Whitstable town centre like this. It is rare to have, granted, an opportunity that does need this amount of work doing, but it is brilliant. You've got bedroom number 3 here, which is again really good size for bedroom number 3, and offers again plenty of space, and you've got that view over the back of the garden there. Here we are in the front room, the lounge of the property. It offers a really good amount of space. You've got that lovely big window at the front, letting in an abundance of natural light, which is wonderful. But what's really nice in this space is that you could possibly open it up to that kitchen. The kitchen is a really good size, and you'll get a sense of that when we go in there in a few moments. The kitchen here is fantastic. You've got a lot of space. Again, it does need some updating, but you've got that lovely view over the rear garden as well there. Whether or not you wanted to try and open this space up, extend out to the rear and make the most of it is up to you, but the opportunity is certainly there. Now you've got the downstairs bathroom with this property, which, as you can see, has been updated and adapted into a wet room. And you've got the access point here out to the side of the property, where you do have parking located at the front and the side. So parking in Whitstable town centre, not a problem with this property. Now as you go out to the rear garden, you get a sense of how big this space actually is, because it's a whacking great space. It's brilliant. You've got a lovely mix of lawned area and that patio area at the back there. And for me, I can't see this property being around too long. I think it's a fantastic opportunity. It's absolutely brilliant, and we'll take a little look at this sort of unused space at the back here that you've got, and we'll finish with a view of the back of the property again.